Handling resources sustainably is a must, not an option, especially today. Water is one of these resources, and from collection to discharge, it has always been our thing. Having specialized in wastewater treatment, we are well aware of the rising challenges in the management of biological wastewater treatment plants serving communities all over the world. Now imagine having a biologist working round the clock to make plants always perform at their best in terms of quality of the water output and energy consumption. ASIA, which stands for Advanced System of Intelligent Aeration, serves exactly this purpose. It is a firmware developed by IGP Engineering, entirely made in Italy, composed by a hardware core and an algorithm which sums up almost 40 years of professional experience in wastewater. ASIA checks the sludge status in the oxidation basins every 4 seconds, reads the trends and commands the aeration system in order to push the biological process to its maximum, in every condition and on plants of all types and sizes. ASIA represents an innovation which flexibly matches most of the practical needs of civil wastewater management. That is, to clean water, to spare energy and to save money. IGP Engineering is a family company based in Trieste, northern Italy, well rooted in the regional context and specialized in water since 1987. We provide projects, solutions, services and products for the whole water cycle. ASIA's top performance makes us confident enough to venture out of our traditional area to address all potential clients worldwide who are dealing with the complicated issue of wastewater management in an environmentally critical time.